Hey everybody, we got the old Super 1010 on the bench today. I put the automatic oiler in it. As you guys, if you watch the live feed, well, if you didn't watch the live feed and you're watching this, then I just put a automatic oiler in this beauty. And we had a fuel leak around the seal of the fuel tank, so we're gonna use this magic stuff, some seal all on it, and put it back together. Maybe. That other gasket is a little bit goofy. Oh, it's coming out fast. Yeah, I could probably track down another gasket, but this gasket isn't ripped, because I know there's other gaskets out there. But we're just going to use this old seal all. And we could use some other, some RTV sealant if we wanted to. Also, we'll just let that sit for a minute. Track down there's our long bolt. I think that'll work just fine. Let's try to get this on there. It's always fun. Well, maybe we'll get it in there. Hope everybody's doing great. Yeah, I was just out here messing around. I thought, well, why don't I have the camera going? What's going on here? That's all in place. That's all in place. That all seems to be lined up. Yeah, this is going to be a dandy saw to run. Old right hand start. Super 1010. Don't want to go too tight on that bad boy. Yeah, that ought to be good. Yeah, this is a pretty nice saw. This is the one that was sitting on the end of the bench right here forever for the Saw Shack videos. And yeah, it sat there for a long time. Putting pieces on it as I found them, and finally got the right hand start cover for it. Brand new. I fired it up on the live feed and it runs. Oh yeah. Brand new rope, brand new handle. The whole thing's brand new. Brand spanking new. And it's black. It's cool. Got a sweet old filling spike for it. Oh yeah. It's going to be a beauty. And we know it runs because we started it for the first time on the live feed. There we go. Just like that. Everything is functional. Woohoo! Right on. That'll be nice. We'll leave that off, let that dry in there. See what we got going on here. Something ain't quite right there. Well, that's just a little tweak. So we'll try to fix that. Well, maybe it did line up. These saws sure are fun to work on. think it's going to be a great saw. Not quite sure what we're going to do with the muffler yet. It's got one of these little baffle deal in that muffler. Like a reed. So, that's that on that part. Awesome. Yeah, these right-hand starts are they're different to line up. Because you got to line up. You not only got to get the rope in there, but you also got to line this up at the same time. Your slack adjuster for your bar, right? So you can't just like slap it on there like the old one, like the other style. Because it'll only go on so far. Work that on there so that catches up. Plus you got to line up your slack, that, like I said, that slack adjuster. You got to get that all lined up too at the same time. Yeah, makes it kind of tricky. It can be tricky, but isn't that just beautiful? Yeah. Got this different top cover for it. Oh yeah, that helps. That helps with that for sure. For sure. Oh yeah. It's all functional and that's what matters to me. We'll have to build a full wrap handle for it. That'll be another fun adventure. Right on. Right on. Might as well put this old beauty back on. Maybe. And if that thing starts leaking, we'll put some seal all on it too. Oh yeah, isn't that just a dandy looking little saw? Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. Well, hopefully we'll be seeing this little beauty running. Awesome. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit in the saw shack. Just shooting the breeze and getting old Mac back. Getting an old Mac back on track. Awesome. All right, everybody. Love you. Love you all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling. Oh yeah, the big 250. She's a rocker.